Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing the dreaded something went wrong error on Facebook Marketplace? Don't panic. This is usually a temporary glitch related to the app, cache, or Facebook servers. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix something went wrong on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why something went wrong appears. So common causes include weak or unstable internet, corrupted app cache, outdated Facebook app, Facebook server issue, account restriction, VPN or proxy conflict. So start simple before assuming the worst. Okay, so let's for example start with the connection internet. So switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds then off and refresh Marketplace. So stable internet often fixes it instantly. Slow or unstable signal is the #1 cause for this issue. Okay, so you can also refresh Marketplace properly. So close the Facebook app completely, okay, like this, and remove it and then reopen it and go back to Marketplace. So this clears temporary loading errors. Okay, don't just minimize, fully close the app. Okay, you can also reinstall the app. Okay, so delete Facebook app, restart your phone, and reinstall from App Store or Google Play. So, and then after that, log back in. So it fixes deeper software bugs, okay? Because, reinstallation solves most persistent errors, okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.